What's going on, everybody? Aaron here, and today for Gunpla Hangar we are doing something fun, for me at least, something fun that I like to do, which is the Wing series Gundams. Gundam Wing was like the series I grew up on, so that was kind of the first Gundam experience I had, and for that, I wanted to put together the next one in the series, because I skipped last week and did Haropla, but I want to put together, Shenlong today. Shenlong is WF-02 in the series. First one was WF-01's Wing, WF-03 is Death Scythe. I went out of order, I know, but Shenlong was one of my favorites from the series. I like all of them, to be honest, but this was one of my favorites to really talk about because it had so many features that made it so much different than the other ones. But I can't wait to put this together. This is one of the HG 144 kits, 144 kits, so it's very simple to put together, very easy. Now, I want to say this is probably one of the older kits, because the way the box looks, the box actually looks like the old, late 90s, early 2000s designs. So, I'm kind of curious to see how this puts together. So, let's get it out of the box, and let's get started. Okay, guys, so let's get the kit out of the box here and see what we got. So, right off the rip, this doesn't look like it's a lot of runners. I don't see, yep, we got chin stickers, that's great. Here's the color guide for Wu Fei if you plan on painting him. I don't tend to paint my, I don't tend to put together the character figures just because they're that's painting and I don't feel like doing painting. So let's go ahead and get everything out of the package here to see how many runners let's look and see how many runners we got. So I see one set of polycaps, one white runner there. Then I see maybe two more runners here, each detailed in a different way. So 2 major runners and then our character piece. So instruction guide is very detailed, looks almost like a comic book whenever you open it up, and when you open it up, this kit's gonna be super simple to do. I mean, literally that's 3 pages of instructions, 8 steps, not very hard to do. Even kind of gives you an idea what the kit will look like finished all together. And even kind of gives you a description of how this thing looked in the anime, which was really cool. I like the way this thing how this thing functioned. So let's go ahead and get it started. Okay. So real quick before we get started, I know that I usually tell you what all you're gonna need. I would say just a basic pair of nippers and maybe a couple of pair of tweezers for the basic stuff. You may need an X-Acto knife to cut out to clean up certain edges. So I'm gonna leave that there as well. Put all those kind of in front of me there. But yeah, let's get started. So I'm gonna set that over here, and I'm gonna get everything out of the packaging. So. Okay guys, so here is Shenlong in its entirety, completed, and as you can see, the kit has a really nice build to it. It's got a little more articulation than some of the other kits because that arm extends out. I actually had footage of it doing that after I completed the kit, but then I accidentally deleted that footage whenever I was trying to clean up my card, and yeah, so I lost the footage. But anyway, guys, this kit was super easy to put together for the most part. There were some parts that were a little tricky. There were a couple of stickers there that were really hard to put together, but it's definitely worth the money. I would say go out and get you this kit. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You can check me out on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought of today's build or what you'd like to see me build next. Check out the description for some links from some of my awesome friends' awesome works. Also, click on that bell icon. That's going to keep you up to date with when videos like Gunpla Hangar go live, as well as whenever I do my, outside the boxes and whenever I go live. So definitely check that out. Definitely make sure you're keeping an eye on that. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.